Hello, and guess what day it is? It's Friday, which means it's Flatbread Friday. And this week I had a few of those, some of the popcorn chicken that I used in one of my last recipes. Oh, the buffalo chicken mac and cheese. That's what I used it for. I had some of that left over in the freezer, and I had a pizza crust, and I had some other stuff. And I remembered, I had some vegetables from your Swiss market. I had some rainbow carrots. I have some scallions, onions, some random last peppers from my garden. And what I'm going to make today, and what you're going to make if you want to, is a Thai chicken, a crispy Thai chicken pizza. And I used to make the Thai chicken pizza in the days when I worked at Foodies, and it was very popular. And it was, mostly on the wall because I had chicken and vegetables to use up, and made a peanut sauce, which is the first thing we're gonna do. So let's get to it. Start a peanut sauce with obviously some creamy peanut butter. Sometimes I like to use chunky, the extra crunchy, because I like crunchy peanut butter. And a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of rice vinegar. And ordinarily I cheat by using some sweet Thai chili sauce, but they didn't have any at the store where I was today, so I got this instead, pad Thai paste. I've never used it before. I did taste it, and it's pretty spicy, but I think it's going to add some yummy goodness to our peanut sauce. So in that goes, and now we're going to cover this up and pop it in the microwave for a little bit. This is 45 seconds in the microwave. And if you were going to use this as a dipping sauce, a peanut dipping sauce, you would probably want to thin this out with some water, or with a little more soy sauce or rice vinegar or something. But since we're using it as the base of our pizza, then this is a pretty good consistency for spreading it on. So we're going to leave this just the way it is. Okay, our dough is laid out on our sheet, and we're going to do what we've done before. We're going to roll it in a little bit and pinch it together and make a raised up crust. Our crust is ready, and these Poppin' Fresh crusts say that you should par-bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we're going to continue on. Our par-baked crust is out of the oven, and now we are going to spread it all over with our thick peanut sauce. And it's a little spicy, a little sweet. It's going to be really good. Our sauce is on. It looks good, and I don't remember. I mean, I do remember. I don't know if you remember that in the intro I mentioned that I like to use chunky peanut butter for a peanut sauce, because I like that. But it turns out that this pad Thai paste has peanuts in it, so we got peanuts in here too. So now we're going to continue with the rest of our toppings. The next thing that's going to go on is our popcorn chicken. I've cooked it according to manufacturer's directions, so it's nice and crispy. And I said I couldn't find any Thai style sweet chili sauce, and I went looking for it because I didn't have very much. I only had just a little. But I think what I'm going to do is toss these chicken pieces with the rest of the sauce to give it an extra punch and some sweetness. Add a little bit of the sauce to it. Coat these pieces up with it. Sticky and yummy, and this chicken is hearty, crispy. And I was going to put it underneath the cheese, but now that I've coated it with this sauce, I think we're going to do the cheese next. Asian food is not usually cheesy, but mozzarella is a nice, no taste really cheese. It's not a strong flavor, and it is a pizza, so it has to have cheese. And on we go. Here comes our chicken pieces. We're just going to scatter this all over this pizza, making sure that you get a little bit of this chicken in every bite. Chicken is down, and now we got some vegetables coming. We have these shredded rainbow carrots from Misfits Market, and we're gonna distribute those all over. We have some sliced up scallions. Spread those all around, and we'll follow that up with some. These are some of those candy cane peppers that I had in my garden, and I don't have any more coming, so sorry about my arm. So I figured I'd use them up. And a little bit of red onion. This is going to be so colorful. Okay, and now we're going to go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Here it is, our Thai-style crispy chicken pizza. And it looks good, it's colorful, it smells amazing. And now we are gonna slice it and serve it. Cut up, just about ready to serve. And like I said, it looks and smells fantastic. There's a piece close up, I'm trying to hold on to it. But we'll put it back on the plate, and you know, I like to decorate stuff. So I still had some of that toasted coconut kicking around, so a little sprinkle of that. Because Thai goes coconut, coconut goes with Thai. And a little greenery in the form of cilantro. And now we are ready to have another close-up, all decorated up. And happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me. Have a fabulous Flatbread Friday and a fabulous weekend, and we'll see you again soon.